Drumming is quite amazing. There's a lot of amazing research on it. There's some amazing books written on it. The drummer of the Grateful Dead, Mickey Hart, has written several excellent books on drumming. And one of the things that the research finds that it activates the auditory, visual, and motor cortexes when you're drumming, which means we have the capacity to be more aware. We can use different frequencies from all the way up to shamanic drumming. To change our internal states, to change our states of consciousness. And when we get up, here we can enter the trance state where we can do dreaming work, we can do journeying into the astral dimension. It can support practices like remote viewing. It can help prepare you for meditation. There's a myriad of benefits to drumming. I have a wide selection of drums because they activate different energy centers of the body. This one works really well for the root chakra, the bone system, and helps me help people that need more of an anchor in the world after a shamanic journey with plant medicines where people are quite up and blown out of themselves due to the effects of the medicines, and I need to ground them. I can actually use this nice low frequency, and I can also change the beat to bring them down and calm them. If I want to go to the third chakra and work through the solar plexus system, I can help people with their ability to feel more centered in themselves, to become more self-aware. And that is very, very useful. So you can use drums just like you use Tibetan bowls or tuning forks, targeting key areas. You can manipulate the frequency of the drum. You can manipulate the intensity. The brain and nervous system are monitoring every sound and the rhythm, and you can also use the drum to couple it with intention, and that's just a few of the many benefits we'll be going into in our upcoming drumming workshop with Enolia Foti, a very, very highly skilled and qualified shaman, which you can learn more about on my podcast. The first day will be making your own drum, which you can do by itself or you can join for 2 days. The second day will be all sorts of great training on how to use your drum for the kinds of things I'm talking about here. I will be in the workshop. Angie Check, my wife, a highly qualified shaman and expert on the drum, will also be in the workshop. You can do just the first day and build your drum, or you can do 2 days and build your drum and learn to use it, or you can just do the second day if you want to bring your own drum and learn how to master it. Go to the information in my bio, click the link, and you can learn more about the workshop, and we'd love to see you there. And come join us at our beautiful rainbow home with 2 of the most amazing shaman I know.